Hey, good afternoon, More Medic One. Today we're going to be doing a little tool review on the Harbor Freight tactical flashlight that they've been advertising. Go ahead and get it open here, and we'll go over some of its features. It's branded Quantum, so if you can see that. It's they call it a tactical flashlight. It's got the serrations up here for, you know, striking something or like trying to knock somebody out or whatever. It's got 588 lumens and 538 foot range, 3.5 hour runtime on 4 AA batteries. If you turn it around on the back, it tells you some more of its features. I'll just let you kind of read those. But the most intriguing part of this is that it has a 30mm barrel, which allows it to be attached to any, you know, firearm with a 30mm scope ring. It's got 3 modes. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. You got high, a medium, strobe, and off. The way you adjust your focus is that you can slide the lens in and out, which could pose a problem whenever you mount this on a firearm. The recoil could actually move the flashlight lens as you're shooting, but we'll have to test that out at a later date. It's got one single SCD, or whatever they call it, SMD LED. Battery changes are real simple. Oh, by the way, it's all aluminum housing, nothing plastic except the battery holder. As you can tell, it holds a bank of 4 AAAs. Real simple to change out. They last about 3.5 hours on one battery, you know, on full blast. These batteries will last about 3.5 hours, is what it says on the packaging. But it's got an O-ring seal here. I have not taken this part apart yet. I'm not going to find out. But it looks like to me that these are stepped. You could put an O-ring on these steps to keep this barrel from sliding backwards. And I may try that. Somebody at the shop said, well, why don't you put an O-ring around there to stop that from moving when you shoot. So that's a good idea, and definitely going to try it. I ordered me a scope mount on Amazon. Let's see if we can get this scope mounted inside the rings. I bought the low profile mount. Comes with the wrench. This will fit any Picatinny rail mount, and then your flashlight basically mounts in there. You might be wondering, you know, how heavy this is with the flashlight and the mount. Comes in at about 8 ounces, so that's real good, you know, if you are conscious about putting a lot of heavy stuff on your gun. I'm going to go ahead and mount the flashlight on my AR-15. It's chambered in 9mm, and I'm not going to shoot it today. It's kind of late, and I don't think the neighbors would enjoy a whole lot of racket right now. It's, you know, Sunday afternoon, and everybody's getting ready for bed. But we're going to mount it on here. I like to mount it just a little bit forward, a little bit out of the hand area. You can mount it in definite spots on this particular one. Your gun may not have as many mounting lugs. Just take your wrench, stick it in the hole, and just give her a hand tightening. super impressed with this light, guys. Let's go and read some more specs on this online. I went ahead and pulled up the Harbor Freight website, and the part number or the item number is 63934. They're actually comparing it here on their website to the Streamlight flashlight, which retails for $59.99. Where is it? Right here. Compared to the Streamlight ProTac 1L. I bought this flashlight for $12.99, so $13 plus tax. 588 lumens, ultra high efficiency, SMD LED 5-tooth striking edge for self-defense, adjustable zoom, ultra focused or standard mode, deep knurled body for exceptional grip, weighted striking heel for emergency use. So I'm guessing you can break windows with it as well. It says super durable machine aluminum housing, easy on and off, and it includes 4 AAA batteries. Here's the Streamlight ProTac 1L. As you can tell, it's looks a little bit different. And it comes with 1 battery, and this one only lasts 2 hours at 275 lumens, so this one puts out quite a bit less light than the Harbor Freight one. But just thought I'd show you that for a comparison. If you have any questions about this flashlight, just let me know. More Medic 1. Y'all have a good day. I'll put a link in the description below for this light at harborfreight.com.